Color theories. There are two theories that explain how colors work and interact: the light or additive. Additive theory deals with radiated and filtered light. The pigment or subtractive theory deals with how white light is absorbed and reflected off of colored surfaces. Light theory. Light theory starts with black, the absence of light. While all of the frequencies of visible light are radiated together, the result is white light. The color interaction is diagrammed using a color wheel, with red, green, and blue as primary colors. Primary here means starting colors. These are the three colors that the cones in the eye sense. This is an RGB color system: red, green, and blue. The color temperature. The color wheel is useful in that it shows the relationship between warm and cool colors. This is called color temperature and relates to the sense of temperature each color imparts. The color on the red side of the wheel are warm colors, and the green side implies cool colors. The color scheme. There are a number of concepts about color organization, but none that will make you a good colorist. Color schemes are based on the traditional color wheel. Let's see the most common color schemes. Monochromatic color. Monochromatic color schemes are made up of different tones, shades, and tints within a specific hue. These are the simplest color schemes to create, as they are all taken from the same hue. The first color, if you look at this from left to right, would likely be used for headlines. The second color would be used for body text or possibly the background. The third color would likely be used for the background or body text, if color number 2 was used as the background. And the last two colors would be used as accents or within graphics. Analogous color. Analogous color schemes are next easiest to create. They all have one hue in common, so things can't get too wild. Starting with this scheme, more hue contrasts are possible. This means more freedom and expressive potential, but it is increasingly difficult to make good color combinations. Complementary color. This scheme uses colors that are opposite on the color wheel, or complements. These colors are as far apart hue-wise as color can be, so there's ample potential for conflict. In their most basic form, these schemes consist of only two colors, but can be easily expanded using tones, tints, and shades. Triadic color. Usually red, yellow, and blue work for Disney. Actually, any three more or less equally spaced hues can fit this scheme. But why bother? By now you have so many colors involved, why not just choose the one that works for what you are trying to communicate? Tint and shade. These are terms to describe how a color varies from its original hue. If white is added, the lighter version of the color is called a tint of the color. On the other hand, if black is added, the darker version of the color is called a shade of the color.